Hello! Good evening, everybody. Welcome to another J Fox video. I've got some lovely, relaxing African music on while I do this one. And in 2 days' time, I'm going to go and see my boyfriend, Random Fox. Yay! I'm going to get my first suitcase, so I'm going in it. Let's go. Let's go get my suitcase. Oh wow, so I've got some things in. Essential things for my first shoe, obviously. I might turn this down a bit. Oops, uh-oh. I turned it up instead of turned it down. Oh, that's funny. That's better. Of course. Let's move that there for a second. I'll keep this over. Do what I'm doing. It might not be so good. Of course. Adding. Just in case my first suit got dirty, you gotta take clean stuff. And I got a toy. And my lanyard thing with my photo. Yep. And a collar. And my scarf. And my brush. You probably saw this on the other video, and just like what to do, she does. That's it all. I'll probably have this down here actually, because on this size clothes, of course, and then I get in here, and then. No, I can't do that. Of course, I've got to think some random folks. I'm just going to have my first, old first suit. Oh, I nearly turned over. I'll put that back there now. Was pressing still nice random thoughts, so I'll put them in here. I'll wrap this up in a second. I guess get some London, some pictures. And because of the anti-sweat thing, so I'm going to go on a fursuit walk while I'm with him as well. So I can get in there. And I'll get some other things. And my old fursuit head, so I gotta get to my random thoughts. My old fursuit head with paws, I can go in there. And I've got clothes, and well, I won't do my whole packing, but as you can see, I gave Wraith away my random thoughts counts. I love him so much, I'm gonna go and stay with him. I gotta go, that's what the, yay! So I love my random thoughts so much. I love it so much, good. So, as you can see, getting all things ready. Let's see, what else should I take? Let's take some biscuits. Now, what else should I take? Wow. Well, I'll see you in the next. So the next video you will see will be a bit later on, because I won't do that till Tuesday. So that's next week's set. The next video you will see will be Random Fox's place. I might video myself on the train, I'm not sure yet. I'll see you in a bit. I love you so much, the 60 Random Fox. And Cruiser Wolf, you're very good. I can give a shout out. Everyone follow Cruiser Wolf. He's really cute. Aww. And Undertaker's really cool. And oh, I've got so many friends to remember. I love you all. Yay! Well, I'll see you later, everybody. I'm gonna get going packing. I'm gonna get packing. Oh yes. That's loud. Actually, I've got another packing to do. I'll see you in a bit. Ciao for now. I better get the train.